So let's start with the MA600. This system is likely the most widely used system across the industry. In terms of pros, it is lightweight and portable. You'll see these in a lot of the mobile tech vans and trucks because it can go from shop to shop quite quickly and easily. It happens to be the most affordable system that Autel sells as well. And finally, it's simple and proven. So on this frame, it's very manual, but there's no electronics or motors that potentially could fail. In terms of the cons, all of the measurements for all the different calibration, whether it's a front radar, front camera, 360, all of them are manual using things like tape measures, lasers, plumb bobs. What that means is that the calibration workflow is slower, and frankly, there is more human error involved. Um, so a risk there. There is no uneven floor compensation, and so you're hoping that whatever environment you're working in is aligned to what the OE is requiring in terms of evenness of the floor. Um, a big one is there is no way to verify the alignment of a calibration. And so with the newer position statements coming out, this is becoming a bigger topic where, an alignment verification is required before a calibration. The last con is that there are no precise calibration reports, and I can show you what one of those looks like, but ultimately with the newer wave of frames and systems, you have an airtight report that shows all of your measurements. And then, so high level, who is this for? Obviously, for mobile technicians, this is the most commonly used system. Um, for budget conscious shops, so if you're just trying to dip your toes in the water and get started with ADAS, it's a great option. And ultimately, it favors portability versus speed and scalability.